Hello from Myrtle Beach. Have you ever wondered what is inside this giant upside down building here at Broadway at the beach called WonderWorks? Well, wonder no more. We are going to take you inside and show you not everything they have to offer because it's massive. We've been there before. We've taken our nephews. It's tons of fun, but we are going to show you a lot of this family-friendly attraction to show you what it's all about on the inside. So come on with us. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. As soon as you come into the lobby, before you even do anything, you're already a part of the experience. They've got this amazing upside down room in the lobby. Makes you feel like you really are in an upside down building. We start off with this.
Oh man.
So hard to walk.
No.
They do have a bypass. Once you're inside, there is so much to see and do. We are just in one tiny section right now. A lot of the items they have here are interactive. They also have some ride-like attractions, simulator type attractions, laser tag, so much to do. A ropes course, indoor ropes course. So we are going to take you through this and show you what they have. This hat went way over here. They have a really cool astronaut training challenge here, and you can get up to 4 people, so your whole family could do it as long as you meet the restrictions. That looks like a lot of fun. Over here we have the Extreme 360. This is actually pretty cool. You get on there, a couple of people, and you pedal to get yourself upside down. We've got a giant piano, and I mean giant. Who's watching this that remembers the movie Big? This reminds me of that. They've also got the very thrilling, because some of us have been on this, the coaster simulator. It's called the Wonder Coaster. And so it feels like you are on a roller coaster. And also you have visuals to go along with it. It's pretty cool. Got both Wonder Coasters going at the same time. It's kind of fun because you can watch your family up there on the screen. Brian's taking one for the team today and lying on a bed of nails. And he is really on a bed of nails. How does it feel?
Just feel a bunch of nails poking through my back. Just like you would think.
That's pretty cool. Inquiring minds want to know, did it hurt?
No, it just feels like a massage maybe.
Wow, it's a new massage technique. We also have the XD Theater motion ride experience. We're going to check that out and let you know what we think. Are we ready for the motion ride?
We are.
Got the glasses and everything. We just finished watching or experiencing really, because you're moving the motion theater. What did you think, Brian?
It was really good. We had our movie was Dino Safari,
which we won't go into any more detail than that, so we don't spoil it for you. Really good effects, really good time, and also not painful. I've been on those motion rides where it's like really painful. This was not at all. Yeah. And also we talked to the guy who works here, and he said it's not the same every time. They have different ones. So while you're on your visit here, you could actually keep riding it and see different stuff.
Yeah, which is really cool.
It really is, yeah. They do have food here. Here are the prices as of the time of this recording of the food. So there are food options here if you get hungry while you're here, because you could definitely make a day of it here. There's a lot to see and do. Here's a question. How many of you watching remember these and remember the smell? They have a distinctive smell to them, and we can actually smell it. This is pretty neat. You can buy yourself a really inexpensive souvenir of the WonderWorks building. So that's pretty neat. We're now up to the 3rd floor. Definitely a lot of space theming on this 3rd floor, but what I wanted to show you is the ropes course here. It is massive. It is so big. It's all the way over here in this section, but it also goes way over here into this section and way up there. It's pretty cool. Brian's gonna see if he can land the space shuttle. Or are you going to place bets? Go ahead and leave a comment and see if you think he can do it. I'm going to bet no. Oh, did you crash or did you make it?
No, it was a little rough. Didn't quite make it.
Didn't quite make it. Here's the entrance to their laser tag game, and they start it at the top of every hour. So you just come here and wait, and it tells you when the next game will start. They've got the quintessential gift shop at the exit, and also here's that eatery that I mentioned earlier. We'll get a closer look at that as well. And you can sit outside and enjoy that beautiful view. We'll get a closer look at that view as well. We are now up to the Works Eatery, which is their cafe. And they have all kinds of food here. I'll zoom in a little on the menu, give you an idea of what they have. They've even got some wine and beer as well, and some yummy looking cookies. They have some amazing retro pictures for those of you who are big Myrtle Beach fans of some of the most classic and iconic places in Myrtle Beach and what they used to look like. Everyone knows Mammy's Kitchen. There it is, 1954. They have a nice outside eating area. Got some high tables over here, and you've got this great view of the lake here at Broadway at the beach. Time of the video, these are their prices, but double check their website before you come. If you'd like to learn more about the Myrtle Beach area, be sure to click on the video that's on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.